Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a video today about how I contour my face. It is bare right now, looking a little bit shiny. What's that about? But it's bare. I am using natural window light for this because if I use my ring light, I just look like I'm in a studio and it's not going to look like that when you go outside. So I thought natural lighting, and I'm going to show you what I use. I use 90p each concealer sticks from Primark. They are amazing. I love these. I love them more than my Revolution contour palette, and I love it more than my Sleek one. I just love them. They're so good, and they're so cheap as well. And if you leave them on the radiator, they warm up, obviously, and they go on your face so smooth, so good. So yeah. Also wanted to say, just before I get into this video, is that all of my videos are gone. I think I deleted like 86 videos yesterday because I have, keeping it short, I have body dysmorphic disorder, and normally I can control it. Yesterday I couldn't. It was at an absolute peak. A peak. And I was like, oh my god, what am I doing sharing myself on YouTube? I look horrendous. And I deleted them all. So I was really bad for about 4 or 5 days, and it's coming down. So my videos are gone, so there's no trace of me other than this one once it's been uploaded. And what's that noise? Oh, gremlin. So I'm just going to get straight into this now. I've explained myself. Starting with my Ivory concealer stick, I never do them at the same time. I don't ever blend the same colours, because I think that you need to focus on one, not both, and then just blend them together. I much prefer. A little nice Indian look on your face. I needed some feathers and that on my head. Chin. And I've also started doing it here, so do a line there. It's really gonna enhance those cheekbones when you put on your chestnut, if you use chestnut. So I'm just gonna, this is what I always do because this works amazing. I love this little trick. I'm crazy obsessed with bio oil. I use bio oil for everything. My face, my body. My face gets bio oil on twice a day because I do it in the morning and I do it before I go to bed. It's just the best. It's the only thing that's really been getting rid of my spots. And what I do is I put a tiny little bit on my blender. I'll do it to the other one while I have it to hand. And it just helps blend that contour in so much better. So I'm going to blend that white in now. Ivory, should I say. Because some people like to have a wet or damp beauty blender, but I use the bio oil rather than water. But you can use anything you want. It's just a little thing that I do. Little tip if you want to try it. But yeah, for really good skin, like, because the makeup is always going to look better the better your skin looks. So I'm like, oh my god, I've suffered spots for so long. But bio oil was really get rid of them spots, sort it out, and dab. Now I used to rub. I used to think, I'm not sitting here all day dabbing. God damn. I used to just go like that all over my face, but no. You've got to dab it, because you don't want to spread it. You're making these lines for a reason, because you've got a plan in mind, you know. My dog's just chilling in my dressing gown. Look at him. You alright, Chase? And there's a ginger cat behind me as well. It's the good life, isn't it? So get blending, blend all that in, and then we're going to go on to the chestnut. So now I've finished that, I'm going to put my chestnut colour on now. And if you don't want your forehead to look too low, just do a line up the top, not here. If you want it to smallen your forehead, then you bring it further down. But because I think my forehead is quite small anyway, I think, or is it quite big? I don't know. I tend to keep it quite high. And then I'm going to try and smaller my nose. Now my nose is a big thing for me because it's a big thing. So I do try to slim my nose down. by bringing the lines a little bit closer as it comes down. Sorry about my background, I'm waiting for a screen to turn up so I can have just a plain screen behind me. And this bit here, if you add a line there, that's going to make your lip look a bit more pointed and a bit more fuller, and underneath as well. And for the message, for your cheekbones, always blend up. Don't rub and don't blend sideways, blend up gently so that you cup that cheekbone and you get a really nice, yeah. And also, if you want to bring out your jawline, because like, if you're like me, look, my jawbone is actually, it's like making out with my neck. They're just hanging in together. Look at it, it's just completely, I like to bring it out. And then just gently, see if I can do this, so you can see. Underneath. Like so. That's a bit of a light change. Oh yeah, makes a difference. So with my bio-oiled beauty blender, I'm going to start with the bottom and just gently dab that down, not up the face, down, because you don't want it to go into your face. It's just going to give you that smudge look. Keep it coming down so you're keeping your jawline more prominent. Oh yes. Gently blend that across. Does make a big difference. And then when you're doing your cheekbone, just gently go up when you dab, because it makes such a difference. Like, it really does bring out your cheekbone a whole lot more. And before, I was just rubbing it. Like, I'll just go all the way down my face and then all the way down here. Oh my god, what was I doing? I don't even think I know what I was doing. I don't even know what I'm doing now, to be fair. Look at me. I know what I'm doing for me. Everyone's different, aren't they? Everyone's different. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep dabbing and dabbing and dabbing. It does give me armache though. Do you find? Get armache, just dabbing. It's like a workout all on its own. My lighting keeps changing because, as I said, I'm using the window. We have had so much snow today, it's been crazy. And it's sun, and then it's dark. So at the moment it's cloudy, so we've got cloud coverage going on. Yeah, so it's like not so bright on the face. But yeah, cupping that cheekbone, cupping it. I actually forgot this the other day. Like, I was going out and I went round town, I got McDonald's for the kids, came home and realised I hadn't done the bottom bits. People must be looking at me thinking, oh my god. And I was oblivious. I was absolutely oblivious. Oh wow. Who cares, eh? I've got really close up, haven't I? I had to go close up because when the sun went away, I was getting like a shine. Like that. See? So I had to go close up so you didn't get that shine. And now it's getting dark again. Blending. I hate blending. Oh god, I'm just going to cut to it. Just cut to it. It's starting to snow again, that's why we're getting the cloud. Right, so then after I've done my contouring, that is all I would do for my contour. I wouldn't do any more than that because I think that's more than enough. And it's a nice subtle coverage rather than really too much. And you look at it and you think, God damn, God damn. Because that's how I look back. and everything that I was putting on before. But anyway, then I'll take my hula, and my hula, love my hula, and I'll just gently go over up to the cheekbone. Just enhance it that little bit more and soften all the areas. I like to bring the brush up to this part because I don't put my contour sticks in my hair, but then I don't like to have like really light hair so it really shows. So am I just rambling? It's hard to explain. So much snow! Oh, I get so excited about snow. Oh, I hate being cold, but I do. Hello, beautifuls! I do love the snow. Yeah, getting a shine. Getting a shine. Let's have a look. See it? Oh, it's blowing sideways. Just going. Oh. So that is how I contour my face. I mean, I know every now and again I'm getting like this shine, but I would rather show you. It's actually getting on my nerves. Oh my god, I look like a robot. What is that? Giving you a close up. Without the shine, you see? See, I'd rather film a video with natural lighting so you can see what it's actually like, and, you know, real life, rather than faking it with all these lights and everything. Because it's just not going to look like that. You're just not going to look like that. I've tried it. I've like, oh, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put all this setting stuff on. I'm going to put all this, that and the other on. And then when you go and look outside, I need to zoom out. This is way too close. And then, like, you go out and you see yourself in, like, a mirror, or you hold your, like, for a selfie, and you're like, oh, I look like a clown, cake face. Because that's what it looks like. Always make sure when you put your makeup on, you've got the best lighting, which means natural lighting. You need to be able to be at the window. Don't use mirrors that are, like, with lights all round, where you've got, like, your desk or something in a corner. Because you're going to look in that one, and you're going to be like, oh, and you're going to look in that one, you're going to go, oh. It happens every time. Every single time. So definitely always make sure you've got the right lighting. I'm always going to share natural lighting with you because I don't want to fake it. It is what it is. I don't think I should pretend to be something I'm not. I don't think I should... False advertisement. That's what it is. It's false. So yeah. Yeah, if I've got bad skin that day, I've got bad skin. If I've got a spot, I've got a spot. If I'm not looking too great, I'm not looking too great. But at least it's real. So, yes. Yeah. I'm going to keep it natural today. Natural. I've got makeup on my face. Oh my god, Gabby. What's wrong with you? What I meant to say is, I'm just going to leave it like that today. I'm not going to go for eyeliner and mascara and all that because I can't be bothered. And it's so cold. Like, it is bitter. I'm just not going to bother. So it is as it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a random one. But fingers crossed I don't get ridiculous and be like, I'm not pretty enough, I'm not this, that and the other. Who cares? I'm a human being at the end of the day. I still have a face. I will not delete this video. I will not delete all my other videos that I produce further along the line. I will do videos Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. More if I can, but those are the 3 days I will definitely be uploading. And yay, I will reply to all of you down below. So if you leave a comment, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you are new and you want to see more. And I would love to have you part of my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again in my next one. So goodbye from me and goodbye from Jaycee.